Hello everyone. So I will be showing you my latest project, which is Faith Assistant AI. Today I will be presenting you the Faith Assistant AI as a production grade system wherein it can answer grounded Christian related questions which are from the Bible, which I gave it as a context, and it will make sure that the answer is grounded and no hesitation is there, and it also checks if any kind of conflict questions are there, so it don't answer it likewise. So this is it. So I will just walk you through the code once. So here is the code. So first we have the index in the front end. We have index.txt, which basically it is used for the UI pages. Like all the UI elements, questions, and the things which you see in the UI are because of that. Like so, everything is for the UI is done by this thing. And then we have chat panel. Like once the user start to chat in this thing, then he can basically ask anything which he wants, and then it will basically do the routing and other stuff likewise. So it makes sure it's rendering the user input, and then assistant response is given, and it verifies and gives the scripted batch also. And apart from that, we have the image panel also. So what happens in image panel is basically it takes the like prompt, and then it gives displays the result that user has asked. So this is about this. And then apart from that, we have main.py, which is basically the main file where the routing and the entry points like the image one or the chat panel both are being routed. Like front end and back end are being connected over here. Yeah, so it is running on the port 3000 as of now. So this is about the main.py. Then we have chat orchestration. So here basically the chat orchestration uh, is like a brain. So it directly connects the rack pipeline and moderates the prompt, and then retrieves the result according to the user query, and then formats it and then give it to the user. Then we have requirement.txt also, and yeah, this is more about it. So this is the folder structure. And if I talk about the tool stacks, so tool stacks used are like for front end I have used the Next.js, React, and Tailwind CSS. Then for backend, I have used the uh, Fast API and LangChain. And database is SQLite. And for image generation, I have used pollination, and then retrieval is done by semantic search and RAC, and then validation is done by critical validates. So I will just walk you through the this thing UI. So basically, we have two options here. One is chat and one is image generation. So as I said, that chat.txt the file is there. So here I can ask different questions. So these are the some different test cases. So if we ask the questions about Bible, so when I click here, it comes here, and when I ask it, so it will just think and it will tell me what the answer for is in the summary and the line or the phrase from the Bible which it directly extracted from. Like this was the line in the database, like in the our file context which we gave, and these are the citations or the things from where it is speaking, which line, which phrase is there, and it also gives the AI groundedness status also, like what is the confidence score, safety check, and things like that. So see, if we ask this thing, so it will just tell, yeah, this is the thing of this, and then from this it took it likewise. And now we have the devotion and Christian content. So when we test this, so for this also similarly, it will give the perfect answer, what our question is, and then give citations, and it will also give the exact phrase which from where it took. And if something is about awareness and other things, so when we ask it, see, like this at this time we have asked this thing, so it gave the answer for that also. And so these are the normal cases. If someone asks something he should not ask, or uh, the model doesn't have the answer, so in that case, see, this is one of the question. So he it will tell that it could not find it. So you check against the reliable Bible text likewise. And if we ask, does Bible say money is the root of all evil? So it will say, no, it is not like that. I don't have the information likewise. So this is done. And the safety test is basically done for the checking if checking if the someone asked any hated things. So the see if I ask something hateful about any other religion, so it will just say I can't give any create harmful content for any religion likewise. So this is about it. So this is one more example. See, it will tell I can't generate. So it handles each and every case like safety, hallucination, awareness, and then content and questions from Bible. And this is the image generation part. So here is one prompt for image generation. When I generate image, it will generate the image using pollination. Okay. So yeah, this is about it. Context as in data. So I have given it this PDF of the Holy Bible. So it is about almost 1600 pages, and the chunks were almost like I made the chunks and did some overlap, and then this is the data. Like so, this kind of data it is extracting, and it is answering from this thing. So the answer which we are getting is accurate and from this PDF only.